Good morning, children. Let us take page number 62 of our English literature book. Yesterday I was explaining this particular text, and this particular girl was very much afraid after seeing the creature or after seeing the orange dragonfly. Now, the last paragraph of page number 62. And then I heard it. A low growl came from among the trees. So some type of noise was coming from the tree side. This sound was animal sound. Okay. Now next paragraph. I crawled between the trees to look for the creature. Crawling is crawl, you see. Here crawling meaning walking with hand and feet. Walking. Walking with the help of hand and legs, we can say knee. Okay. Then creature, you see creature. Creature simply here means animal. There was something, and it was in fact the creature or the animal which was making some type of noise. I crawled between the trees to look for the creature. So this particular girl wanted to see the animal. From where the sound is coming actually. So she wanted to look for it. Next line. Just as I spotted it sitting behind a tree, it roared. Spotted, found out, spotted. Here she found or indicate, she saw that particular creature. Once again, just as I spotted it sitting behind a tree, it roared, roaring of a lion. See, but here this particular animal or this particular creature was also making a roaring sound. A loud noise, we can say. It was loud noise. So it was hiding behind the tree. Just as I spotted it sitting behind a tree, it roared. It made a loud noise, loud sound. Okay, turn the page next side. Page number 63. It was black with yellow eyes and its teeth were sharp and pointed. So it was the appearance of that particular creature or animal. How it was looking? So it had yellow eyes. See, it had yellow eyes. Then sharp teeth. Yellow eyes, sharp. These are looking very dangerous. So it was black with yellow eyes and its teeth were sharp and pointed. Also pointed is very sharp, pointed teeth. A very pointed, very sharp one. It was sharp. Again, sharp teeth. This particular creature had. It waited for a moment and then it leaped. It was waiting for a moment as if to eat something. So this particular creature was waiting for something to eat, to attack at that particular thing or animal or any other things. So it waited for a moment for some time, waited for some time, for a moment. Sometimes waited for sometimes for something. Maybe it was waiting for its food. Okay. Now just below that you see, it waited for a moment and then it leaped, jumped, from the tree. Next step. I turned and ran. I didn't have much time. Immediately, this particular girl had no time at all because she was very much afraid. So I turned and ran. I couldn't have much time. There was no time because she had to save her own life. Therefore, she had to run for life. I ran quickly through the forest. So where is she going? She ran through the forest, middle of the forest. Through the forest, middle of the forest, that means middle of the forest. Because she has to run, because she has to save her own life. Therefore, she, without delay, she did not delay, and then she started running for her own life. Crush, thunk. See, these are all sounds. Crush, some type of sound coming. It is an accident sound. When there is any vehicles meet with an accident, it makes crush sound. Similarly, thump, it is also a very striking sound. Thump and thunk, it is also a falling sound or some type of dull, heavy sound. Okay. So, my dear children, I end here my class. Again, I will continue in my next class. Thank you very much to everyone.